Meaning of full professor.
Full professor.
Full professor.
Full professor.
Full professor. The title of full professor is the highest academic rank that can be achieved in a university system. It is typically awarded to individuals who have made significant contributions to their field of study and have demonstrated excellence in teaching, research, and service to the university community. Full professors are recognized as experts in their respective fields and are often sought out for their expertise. They have greater autonomy than other faculty members, and may take on leadership roles and influence academic policies. It is a prestigious title that is earned through years of hard work and dedication to one's profession.